Chief Executive John Lee was asked questions by representatives from different sectors, highlighting the challenges they faced and what support they wanted from the government, including propping up the retail industry and providing more support for the social welfare sector. This woman who works in the retail sector proposed expanding the multiple entry visa scheme for Shenzhen residents to attract more mainland tourists to Hong Kong.
可以考慮派發本地嘅消費券。
She also urged the government to distribute consumer vouchers as a means to stimulate economic consumption, adding it will also help boost residents' sense of happiness and belonging.
咁我哋搞活個人流咧，肯定係我嘅政策嚟㗎啦。
In response, the CE acknowledged that the administration's policy will cover such sectors to attract people, and he promised to discuss with the central government for ways to realize it. Concerns were also raised to strengthen support for local small and medium-sized enterprises.
希望嗰個 BR 嘅費用咧可以有個寬免啦。
This businessman asked if the government can waive or subsidize business registration fees and reinstate the 100% loan guarantee scheme to help the SMEs.
個別行業去適應呢個轉型期同埋洗牌期咧。
Lee responded that the government will spare no effort to help businesses to survive the transition to full economic recovery and sustain local growth. He also reiterated that the overall economic momentum of Hong Kong is positive, with the total number of companies registered in the city reaching a new high of 1.44 million in the first half of the year. Social welfare issues were also highlighted during the meeting, such as mental health of school children, special educational needs caregivers, support for elderly living alone, and elderly care.
社福嘅問題咧，我哋會不斷努力。
Lee said the government will continue to work hard on social welfare issues as the demand is significant. Acknowledging there are resource constraints, the CE said key areas will be prioritized, such as the personal development of youths. Summing up the meeting, Lee said that most sectors wanted the administration's help to develop policies and allocate more resources, but an all-round participation is required, he added. Quentin Yang, Cable News.